Welcome to Everyday Mysteries, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. I'm your host, Ethan Carter, and together we'll unlock the secrets behind the objects we use every day. From ancient artifacts to modern marvels, get ready for a journey through time, technology, and a dash of mystery. Let's dive in and uncover the stories hidden in plain sight. Coffee makers. They're a staple in kitchens around the world, brewing up our favorite morning beverage. But have you ever wondered how they came to be? Let's explore the rich history of the coffee maker. The earliest method of brewing coffee involved boiling ground coffee beans with water, a technique still used in traditional Turkish coffee. However, as coffee became more popular in Europe during the 17th century, new methods of brewing emerged. The first significant innovation was the percolator, invented in the early 19th century. Percolators worked by cycling boiling water through coffee grounds repeatedly, creating a strong brew. While effective, percolators often over-extracted the coffee, leading to a bitter taste. In 1908, a German housewife named Melita Bentz revolutionized coffee brewing with her invention of the drip coffee maker. She used a piece of blotting paper as a filter, creating a method that allowed water to pass through coffee grounds only once, resulting in a cleaner, smoother taste. The drip method quickly became popular and remains a cornerstone of coffee brewing today. Electric drip coffee makers, introduced in the mid-20th century, brought further convenience. Brands like Mr. Coffee made it easy for households to brew a pot of coffee at the touch of a button. These machines became a morning ritual for millions, embedding coffee more deeply into daily life. The late 20th and early 21st centuries saw the rise of espresso machines and single-serve pod systems. Espresso machines brought the cafe experience home, allowing coffee lovers to enjoy lattes, cappuccinos, and other specialty drinks without leaving their kitchens. Pod systems like Keurig and Nespresso further simplified the brewing process with pre-measured coffee pods, making it easier to enjoy a perfect cup with minimal effort. Today, coffee makers are more advanced than ever, featuring programmable settings, built-in grinders, and even smart technology that lets you start brewing from your smartphone. These innovations have made it possible to customize your coffee experience to your exact preferences. The coffee maker has not only changed how we brew coffee, but has also influenced social interactions and workplace cultures. From morning routines to coffee breaks, this humble appliance has become an integral part of our lives. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the fascinating world of everyday objects. If you enjoyed the adventure, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share your thoughts with us. Keep exploring, stay curious, and tune in next time for more everyday mysteries. Until then, remember, there's always more than meets the eye.